Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing in so filters, saved searches, and seller settings apply to you. Once logged in, type your primary keyword into the main eBay search box and press enter. Next, focus on the results page. This is where the only advanced options live. Make sure to locate the filter bar and the drop-down menus. They're the gateway to the deeper options you'll need in the next step. Once on the results, click all filters to expose the advanced panel. That's the key. You'll set category, condition, and a precise price range, and then pick item location to target nearby listings or global shipping. Make sure to add seller filters like top-rated or feedback percent thresholds and listing type choices such as auction or buy it now. By combining filters, you reduce irrelevant items, which speeds finding exactly what you want. To finish, save this filter set as a search so you get alerts and avoid repeating the setup. Then choose a sort order, ending soonest, price plus shipping, lowest or best match, depending on your goal. Once done, check results and open a few listings to confirm relevance. If you see too few or no results, troubleshoot by broadening keywords, clearing one restrictive filter, or refreshing the page and clearing cookies. This fixes most display or cache issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.